Hey, what's up YouTube? Got a little bit different video today. Got a EIS here that was actually mailed into me to make a key. This is something you're interested in. My email's in the description. You can shoot me an email and go over details about mailing these in to get keys made. The one we're doing today is going to be a it's a 164. And let's go and get it all hooked up here. See the platform and everything. And so I'll show you the key right now. It doesn't actually work because it's not programmed. So I'm not going to go over all the details of programming the key, but we'll just kind of jump into it here, get a key made, and we'll show you at the end how it works. Okay, so we've got the key all set up, and now we're going to go ahead and test it out. So basically what's going to happen, we'll put it in the EIS, and a red light's going to light up on the key, and then it should turn off once it accepts it. Hit a lock click, and the light turns off, and now the key can actually turn the locks. It's now programmed to the car. So last step now will just be to mail it back to the customer, and it's just going to be plug and play. They just plug it in, and remote's going to work, and the car, as long as nothing else is wrong with the car will actually crank. So there's a Mercedes key done here. Said if you guys have any interest in this kind of service through the mail, my email's in the description. You can shoot me an email. We can discuss details on it. And I have nothing else to add on this one. I guess that's it, man. Well, I'll talk to everybody later.